Alpha baby.
I know you come from.
How you doing now? Sorry, I was on call with my mom. How much can be the money now? How again? 250. Ah, yeah,
Heaven.
man do 200 for that. You're okay now. I beg. Nothing dey my hand. I beg, I beg. I will do 200K for your
You
okay
know,
now.
say no go better for you and all these boys wey be say dey inside this compound. You know, say no go better for all of una. Your mama dey beg you money just now for phone. You dey open mouth dey talk say na 4,000 you get make you send 2,000 for am. But girl dey call you now. Ah! To borrow one pikin no good oo. To borrow one pikin no. Na why you dey greet me? If you irritate me, make una no dey greet me now. Make una no dey greet me.
Why they pay you for body, madam?
I no go pay me for body. I no be woman. Your mama call you just now. You dey tell her say you wan give her 2,000. Say na 4,000 naira na dey your hand.
Madam,
Tell
na my
me you
business
tell her.
o.
Tell her not.
Madam. How you take pay you like that? Go inside your room, oh, abeg. Man, no push you. Oh.
You. You. 20 of you. 20 of you no fit. Dey mad. They really say this money storm. Doctor say good for this my
Hello,
body.
mommy.
Say good.
How you there, madam? My mommy no wahala now. Wetin come happen again? Nothing dey my hand, no, mama. I swear. Nothing dey my hand. Na only 4 naira dey my hand, no. Na 4,000 dey my hand, mommy. I no fit lie you, mama. Send na ma do 2K for you. Let me settle that 2,000. Please. Nothing dey my hand like this now. Thank you. Send now.